everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot prediction. Sorry I was not available. So due to some reason, actually I lost my dad uh, 13 days ago, and I couldn't come live for the same. But I'm going to upload the reading for the second half of December, and it will be a very short and quick reading. It's a general reading, monthly reading. I hope it may resonate with you, it may not resonate with you. Take it as it is resonating, and it is related to situationship reading. That means it is either related to your career, relationship, or your situationship. Okay, so let's say what's going on with you, Aries, the second half of December, Aries. So a lot of politics will be going on. You have to think about the people around you. There will be stress, tensions, and there will be manipulative people. Sneaky energies are around, and you'll be daydreaming to achieve certain kind of goal or certain kind of situation in your particular career area or else relationship area. Okay, but yeah, it's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to your career or relationship. So a lot of politics, manipulative people are there around you, sneaky energies are there, so you will be very much stressed out, or you will be very much worried about it in the second half of December. Okay, Aries, something is ending. You want everything to be harmonious, so something is ending, something new is starting in your life. Okay, in the second half of December, maybe an ending of a karmic cycle, an ending of a situation in particular, an ending of anything which was very much stagnant for a long time. Okay, so endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, there's a third eye chakra opening is available. Okay, so you are going through a lot of introspection. You are going through a lot of transformation internally, and you're also thinking about how you can achieve your goals, or a lot of realizations are happening within you. Okay, that means that you're going through a higher ascendant level of spirituality. Okay, that means you are understanding the facts and figures about yourself, about the people around you, about the situation around you. Okay, that's the thing happening with you. Lot of realizations, facts, figures, and lot of introspection about your particular personality, about your career, about your relationships, about the people around you. That is really important. You are going through an intense phase about yourself. Okay, intensity is very high about yourself, or the people around you, or the situations around you. Okay, yeah, that is really good. Somewhere there's a particular wish which you want to fulfill, but that is not coming true. Okay, it is taking a lot of time. That particular wish is taking a lot of time to come true. Okay, so it will be happening, but it will not happen overnight. It will take time, maybe a 9 months of time for certain wish to get fulfilled. Okay, that's the thing. There's a new beginning waiting for you. You want to step up higher. You want to take a leap of faith, and it will be taking time for you. Okay, like it will not happen overnight. The new beginning you are waiting for, it will be happening within next 7 months or 8 months. Okay, a new beginning, new life, new career, new relationship, new job. It can be anything, but a new beginning will be happening not overnight, but at least if you are waiting for something energetically, if you are thinking that you want a new beginning, it will not happen overnight. It will take time, maybe 7 months or to 1 year. Okay, that's the duration I'm getting. Something you want to end, something you want to start, something. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, but it will not happen eventually. It will take a time of 10 months. Like, that's what I'm saying. Within that next 10 months to 1 year, lot of major changes are happening about you, or around you, or to you. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. That is really good. Yes, the sun. That means that you are the happiest person around, but right now you are not happy because a lot of things are going on around you internally, and you are unable to understand why it's happening in your life. Okay, why these things are happening, why you are unable to take action. There is a blockage. If even if you want to take an action towards something, there's a blockage happening. Okay, it takes time for you to, stand up, to get up, to take time and to move on. Okay, but that thing is not happening. There's a particular blockage into that situation. Okay, so yes, you are going to be very emotional, very much emotional, and you will be thinking and concerned about either your career life, either your relationship or your personal life. Okay, but you are going to be very, very, very much concerned, especially if you are a mother or if you have a mother figure in your life. Those people might be concerning a lot about you as well. Okay, yes, emotional situations are there, emotional things are there. A lot of people are thinking about emotional stuff, that how you are going to proceed, or you are going to be emotionally attached to someone, or your mother is attached to you emotionally in some way or the other. So that's the thing happening for you. So yeah, emotional attachments or concerns will be there, either related to your career life or your relationship. Okay, you are also going to be thinking about money a lot. Okay, money, pentacles, let's say coins, earning money, doubling the money, how to earn money from 360 degree angle, how to have multiple sources of income in your life. So you will be thinking a lot and concerned about a lot. Okay, also you are going to take major decisions in the upcoming months, not eventually overnight, but in the upcoming few months you'll be taking major decisions related to money. Maybe you might be starting a new business, you might be starting a new job, you might be starting a new source of earning money from um, other sources, from different sources, either job or career or relationships. Okay, it can be anything, but yeah, you must be thinking about that. Okay, but there's a major decisions waiting for you. I want to ask universe, what are the universal messages for you for the new year? Wishing you all a very happy new year, guys. Let's see. Okay, so in any moment, I can surrender to the powerful presence of love through prayer, contemplation, and stillness. I just need to tell you guys that start praying, before sleeping, start praying your thoughts, wishes, okay, every single day. Do not expect in return when it will come true, or do not have a certain timeline, but ask from the universe. Pray at night before sleeping your wish every single night. Maybe it take 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 1 year. Okay, but pray, okay, before sleeping, because I think wishes are comes true, and wishes gets fulfilled if you have a sincere heart and consistency in your prayers and your wishes. Okay, so those wishes will come true. You need to surrender to the divine, and universe will make it happen. Okay, when I am in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. Okay, so yes, universe is there for you. I chose to learn through love. So yeah, I need to tell you that you, whatever you are going to pray, whatever you are going to have a thought process about, make a wish, give it to the universe, send it to the universe, and just let it go. Just stop thinking about it, because those wishes will come true when you will least expect it. Okay, trust me, it comes true. Okay, so that's how law of attraction work. You need to ask, you need to believe, you need to let it go, and you need to receive. Okay, that's the thing. So this is the best reading for Aries for the second half of December. Wishing you all, Aries, a very, very, very happy new year, and may your life will be fulfilled with a lot of happiness and joyous situations. Okay, bye bye, take care, Aries.